ng libo-libong katao sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Isang buhay na patunay na kahit sino ka man, ano man yung background mo, hindi ka man nakapagtapos sa pag-aaral, be a dreamer. Kasi kung nakaya na yung mapangarap namin dito, kayang-kaya mo rin.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our new Silver Executives.
Loris Caballero.
We believe it, look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it, let's do the one, that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah, let's do the one, that got the magic, respect, oh yeah.
You feel that in your hearts, and if you imagine that in your brains, in your minds, I tell you guys, we will work hard. Sama-sama tayo magtatrabaho to fulfill all of your dreams. Lahat ng pangarap niyo sa Coliseum na to, sabay natin